Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring something truly magical, India's biggest Experium Eco Park in Hyderabad. Imagine stepping into a place where nature, art, and adventure come together to create an unforgettable experience. This incredible park officially opened on January 29, 2025, and it's massive, spread over 150 acres. So, where exactly is Experium Eco Park? It's located near Pragati Resorts on Chilkur Balaji Temple Road, making it super easy to reach whether you're a local or a tourist visiting Hyderabad. Ticket price Rs 1600 per person. Timings 10 a.m., 8 p.m. If you're planning a weekend outing with family or friends, this is a perfect destination to escape from the city's hustle and enjoy pure nature and adventure. Now, let's talk about what makes this place so unique: the plants. Experium isn't just another park, it's a botanical wonderland. Now, let's talk about the art in this park. Experium isn't just about plants, it's also home to some of the most breathtaking sculptures and metal installations. These are worth a whopping Rs 15 crores. These sculptures aren't just decorations, they all have unique meanings and tell different stories. Some of them are inspired by Indian mythology, while others reflect nature and human emotions. Imagine walking through a park where every corner feels like a living art gallery. If you're someone who loves photography, this place is a dream come true. The exotic garden. The moment you enter, you feel a shift in the air. It's calm, fresh, and filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers. The path ahead is beautifully paved, winding through an incredible collection of plants from all around the world. Everywhere you look, there's something rare, something unique. It's not just a garden, it's like walking through a living, breathing museum of nature. these massive trees around us. Some of them are over 100 years old. In fact, the park is home to more than 25 zero plant species collected from 85 different countries. Can you believe that? Trees from Brazil, Japan, Australia, and even Mexico, all thriving right here in Hyderabad. Some of these trees are so rare that they're valued between Rasonilak and Rastri, 5 crores. It's mind blowing to think how much effort has gone into bringing and nurturing them here. Now let's take a deep breath and pause for a second. Look around. Listen to the sound of birds chirping, the rustling of leaves, the soft whisper of the wind. The entire garden is designed to help you disconnect from the outside world and connect with nature. Whether you're walking, sitting on a bench, or just standing still, you can actually feel the calmness settling in. So, is Experium Eco Park worth visiting? Absolutely. Whether you're a nature lover, adventure junkie, or just looking for a peaceful getaway, this place has something for everyone. Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips if you're visiting. Wear comfortable shoes. You'll be walking a lot. Stay hydrated. Carry a water bottle, especially in summer. Respect nature. Don't litter and follow park rules. If you're in Hyderabad or planning a trip, Experium Eco Park should definitely be on your must visit list. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel videos. See you in the next one.